Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims, your Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back, of course, to teach you another line dance. It's called S4S, I Want You. It's a fun dance. It has an element of surprise. We get 2 praise break. What you mean? That means you can do whatever you want. So if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the instructional. If you're interested in dancing along to the music, watch till the end. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, leave me a comment. It don't cost you anything, and share this video. Are you ready? Let's go. So let's start here at this wall. Okay, so stand on this side, facing this direction. So we're gonna tap, lift, roll right, tap, lift on the left, tap, lift on the right, and roll back to the left and tap. Okay, so tap, lift, right, tap, lift, right, go left, right. From here, you do a cross mambo. Right, left, right half turn, left, right, left, right, 3/4 turn. Okay, so on that cross mambo, we're going to do it 4 times. For that 4th time, we're going to do a 3/4 turn. So we cross right over left, left over right, half turn with a triple step, right over left, triple step, left over right, 3/4 turn. Okay, so that brings us to our new wall. Okay, so let's add that. Go back to the top, tap, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 5, 6, 7, lift. 8, cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4, left. 5, 6, half, 7, and 8, right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, left side. 5, 6, 3/4 turn. All right? Let me give you a modification. So if you go right, if you don't want to turn, you go right, left, left, right half turn, right, left, left, right. So do you go cross over that left, just do a 1/4 turn, same footwork. Left, right, left. And you here. Okay, that's the modification if you don't want to turn. All right, from here, we're going to tap back. I'll cross back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 times you're moving back. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, something like that. So just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how we count. Then we go out, in, right, left. So after we come back 6 times, I'll cross back. 1, 2, we're moving back. 3, 4, 5, 6, out, in, right, left. When you go right, left, lift, do a 1/4 turn, triple step, heel, and a 1/4 turn back here. So you're going back to the same wall that you left. So you do heel, 1/4 turn right, half turn, and a 1/4 turn down. Come back to the same wall. Okay? So cross 1, 2, half, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 1/4, 7, 8. Roll right, roll left, back, right, left. And the dance starts over. All right? So this is your new wall. Okay? You get to that new wall, tap, lift, right, left. We do get to our new wall to when we do the cross mambo, we do 4. And at 4th time, we do a 3/4 turn. And that's our new wall. So whenever we finish doing this cross back 6 times, out, in, right, left, cross, heel, step, that's a 1/4 turn, then a 1/2 turn, heel, step, 1/4 turn. We're really coming back to our next wall. I mean, our same wall that we came from. Okay, and then roll right, left, roll, roll. Then start over. Okay, so let's start over from this wall. Tap lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Cross mambo. Cross mambo. 1/2 turn back. Cross mambo. Stay here. Cross mambo. 3/4 turn. 3/4 turn. See, that's how good we got to our wall. Then we cross back. Out cross back. Pretty girl moving back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, then we go out, in, step, right, left. Out, in, right, left. 1/4 turn right, 1/2 turn left. 1/4 turn, 1/2 turn left. I'm sorry, right. So we cross, right, that's 1/4 turn with the right leg. Come back 1/2 to the right shoulder. Then 1/4 turn left with the left shoulder. Then we roll right, left, then roll back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and tap lift. Tap lift. Okay? So we started at this wall. You start over again. Then we went to this wall. Then we went to this wall. Then we're going to continue again. And when we get to this wall and we finish, we do our praise break. All right? So when we get to the wall, this wall here, we're going to start again. We're going to do it again. And roll left. Cross mambo. Cross mambo, 1/2 turn back. Cross mambo, 3/4 turn. And you're looking back at the camera. We cross back 6 times, right, pretty girl? Out, in, right, left. Go left, 1/4 turn, 1/2 turn right, 1/4 turn left. Roll right, left, and then roll back, roll back. Now, you're facing the camera. You don't start at this wall here. You do your praise break. And your praise break is going to be 32 counts. So you do your whatever you want for 32 counts. You're going to have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you step the dance back over here at the front wall. So you don't go back to the wall where you ended the dance before the praise break. Go back to the top, to the front of the wall, start the dance again. Yes. So the instrumental part is when she's not singing, that's when you take the praise break. Okay? So you're going to go around again. You're going to get to this wall here, and you're going to take your praise break. So when you finish at this wall here, this is the second rotation. So after you do the first praise break, you come back to this wall, right? You start the dance over. You go here, then you go here. When you roll right, you roll left, and then you roll back. You do your praise break until the end of the dance. When you watch the demo, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. This is a fun dance. Fun dance. Why I think it's fun is because we forgot before we was line dancers, we was dancers. So we get a chance to freestyle, okay? So check that out. That is S4S, I Want You. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching. and I'll see you in the next video.